Hello guys, welcome back to app tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you log out of your Discord account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to log out of your Discord, you just simply have to open the Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this home page. Now, you just simply have to tap to this profile picture at the bottom right corner, and after that you will get to see the option of gear at the top right. Tap into that, and then if you scroll down all the way bottom, you will get the option of logout. Tap into that button and then tap to log out. This way you can very easily log out from your Discord account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.